Oculus Go Standalone Virtual Reality Headset 64GB Review 2019. Personal viewing, the littlest big screen. Crystal clear optics and state-of-the-art 3D graphics make your headset feel more like a personal theater. Viewing with friends, watch with friends. Meet up in VR with friends and fans from around the world to catch live sports, concerts, or just your favorite TV show. Portable and easy to use, ready when you are. Experience portable, all-in-one VR. That means no PC, phone, wires or hassles. Controller, effortless control. Whether it's navigating to your favorite shows or to a far-off land, the intuitive controller makes getting there a cinch. Built-in audio, surrounded by sound. Spatial audio drivers are built right into the headset, providing dramatic immersive sound without the need for bulky or tangled headphones. Oculus Go also features a 3.5mm audio jack. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.